All right, we're gonna do some cats tonight. I already put in a prompt, ultra detailed calico kitten staring at me, playing on a couch background, 32K. All right, I guess we got first iteration. We're gonna run it again. Let's see what we get. Yeah, we got some marching little kitties. Now we're gonna change it out. That's right, we're gonna go gray kitten. Now people have asked me what the 32K comes from, and I read somewhere that gentleman was putting in background 32K because it gives it more weight and gives precedence to that background. There we go. And we've got gray kitties instead of calico kitties. Now let's see here. Let's take a little bit, change the scenery around a little bit. The couch. We're basically sitting on a table. I hit enter that time. It knew to execute the visual command. Going some rendering here. And indeed, kitty is on a table. Let's change it out a little bit. Let's go on a fence. Yep, and kitty is sitting on a fence. Not maybe not necessarily the fence I was for looking for, but close. Let's go playing in a box. And indeed, we have a kitty playing in the box. So there you have it. Different variations of a kitten, or we could have gone so cat playing in a box. And that's a full-size cat playing in a box. So there you have it. Cat playing in a box. Sitting on a cell phone, kittens and cats. And can we change this cat out? Probably. Anything out the word? Back to calico. Oh, let's make it a white cat. We already did a calico kitten, so let's do a white kitten. For render time. But you just change your prompts. You just change your prompts around. So, yep. 92%. Come on. And there's not a totally white cat, but we got three white cats and one that's got a black dark spot on it. But playing around with a box. Pardon me. But there you have it. Kitty in a box. kitty playing on the sofa. And we could take it. Let's take it one more step. Take it one more step further. Where is he? Catwoman. This should give you some of your D&D stuff here. Live, anyway. And there we have it. We have a nice little kitty. And I think we'll stop with that for tonight. Nice, simple prompts to work with. See you in the next video. Take care. Have a great night.